that crank going out on it. I'm not gonna run it anymore. Yeah, I wasn't looking forward to putting that kind of money into it. I'm gonna need to put a new crank in it. I bought it just for a beater to go riding around on, but it looks like I'm gonna have to put some more money into it than what I wanted. I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as big bore, keep it stock, small bore 250. That is the crank going out. If you can hear it, it's pretty nasty. Some people may confuse it with piston slap, but that isn't what it is. A lot of people think piston slap is the sound of the piston hitting the head, and that isn't it. What it is the piston is rocking it back and forth, slapping the skirt of the cylinder, and that's where you get that noise. It's not because it's hitting the head. It's an annoying noise. A lot of them do it just because there's that small variance in the size of the cylinder versus the size of the piston. The piston will swell and when it's heated up, but yeah, that a lot of people worry about that noise. Pretty common. But when you start hearing something deep down in it like that, you don't want to run it anymore. That is a crank fixing to come out, and before it blows your case apart, just go ahead and shut her down, and then you're going to be rebuilding it. But at least you have saved your cases from being destroyed. So hopefully it ain't too bad in there. It's running pretty good. It's got decent compression. I don't know. I like I said, I wasn't looking for putting that kind of money into it, but something's got to get done, and you know what the hell, might as well spend a little more money than what I'd planned. Make sure this thing's running tip top, and it'll look pretty good when I'm finished. Probably keep all the air box and stuff on there. I am going up to a 38 Air Striker carburetor, but bummer with the engine. It's not a total loss, but it's all going to be good. Get this, get a new, or maybe I can clean up this chrome or whatever on this pipe. If I can't bring it back, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll go with some ESR stuff, but I'm gonna try to keep this not costing me an arm and a leg. I mean, why would you want to spend $5,000 on a bike that you're just going to torment? And yeah, I'm not going to do that. So all right, gonna move on.